Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to register for EUIN online. First, understand that an EUIN, or Employee Unique Identification Number, is crucial for mutual fund transactions, ensuring proper attribution to the distributor. Before you begin, gather all necessary documents like your permanent account number and address proof. Then, navigate to the official online platform designated for EUIN registration to start your application process smoothly. Next, you will need to accurately complete your application form. Navigate to the EUIN registration section on the platform and carefully input your personal details, including your full name, current address, and contact information. Crucially, provide your permanent account number, or PAN, and any other required identification details. Double-check all entries to ensure accuracy before proceeding to the next step in the registration process. Now, it's time to upload your supporting documents. You will need to upload clear, scanned copies of documents, such as your PAN card and proof of address. Ensure each document is legible and adheres to the specified file size and format requirements, typically a maximum of 2 megabytes per file. Take a moment to review all the information you have entered to prevent any errors before final submission. Finally, submit your completed EUIN registration application online. Once submitted, you will receive an application reference number. Make sure to note this down for any future tracking or inquiries. You can typically expect a confirmation email or message within 2 to 3 business days, indicating that your EUIN has been successfully generated and linked to your mutual fund transactions, completing the process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.